Welcome, prospective Northwest University NWU distance learning students. In this video, we will walk you through the application process. Key information to know before you apply. You can only apply once per academic year and select up to 2 study choices. You need to have a valid, unique and memorable personal email address. You need to have your identity document, not your birth certificate, and final grade 11 or 12 results if you've already completed your matric, digitally on hand. Meeting the minimum requirements does not guarantee admission to NWU. The admission decision is final and no appeals are allowed. Tip number 1. Remember to save your progress at the end of each screen before proceeding. Pay attention to the helpful hints and mandatory fields marked with red stars on each screen. Visit NWU's How to Apply online webpage and click on the Apply Here button. To start, create your application profile. Register to apply by filling in your personal details on the application portal. Username refers to your email address. Tip number 2. Ensure all your details are correct and match those on your identity document. Your profile is connected to your identity number and username, so ensure it's accurate. Once you've created your profile, go to your email address to retrieve your username and temporary password. Log on to the application screen and change your password. Tip number 3. Create a memorable password. Your password must be 8 characters with a capital letter, number, and a special character. For example, distance 2024 exclamation mark with a capital D. Tip number 4. Save your username and password on an external device in case you lose your phone. Log on to the application portal. You will see the dashboard with instructions and quick links. Pay attention to the instruction to candidates section. Click the purple Apply Now button to proceed to the program details screen. Choose your preferred presentation method, distance learning, and select a study center. Choose your qualification type, undergraduate, and select your preferred campus before making your 2 study choices. Note number 1. Qualifications are linked to the campus where they are offered. NWU Distance Learning is located on the Potchefstroom campus. Type in keywords of the qualification you are looking for to assist your search. Visit the program's webpage to ensure you have the correct details for your chosen qualification. At the bottom of the screen, you may cancel your application choices or save your progress before proceeding. On the personal details screen, permit NWU access to your information as required by the POPI Act. Complete the personal details exactly as they appear on your identity document with your full first and second names. Completes the contact information section. Move to the previous education screen and click on the Add button to open the table with the required information. Search and select your school's name using the search bar or scrolling to the correct name. Note number 2. Complete the table with your most recently completed high school information. For example, if you are in grade 12, your previous information refers to your grade 11 information. Tip number 5. To quickly select a date, click on the top bar of the calendar. This action will switch the display from showing the month and century to only showing the century. Then you can use the arrows to select the correct year and click on the month to open the dates. On the school subject screen, select your examination board. For example, National Senior Certificate or NSC or IEB. Click on the Add button to add your subjects. You need to add 7 subjects and life orientation is mandatory. Add your subjects exactly as they appear on your results, especially your language modules. For example, home language and first additional language. Capture your marks achieved correctly by using the drop-down list or typing the number. Proceed to the additional information screen to indicate who will be funding your studies. Upload all mandatory documents as indicated by the red stars on the document upload screen. Ensure all required documents are uploaded to avoid delays in processing your application. Note number 3. If you are applying to study education through distance learning, please complete a PR02 form, which can be downloaded here. Finally, read the declaration screen and sign the agreement by ticking the checkbox. Review your application to ensure all information is accurate. When you are confident all information is correct, submit your application. Note number 4. Rather take a couple of days to review your application before submitting it, as it is extremely difficult to change information that's already processed by the NWU application system. After submitting your application, the system will return to the dashboard, which gives you an overview of your application process, including your application number, status, and study choices. You can also download an application summary and re-upload documents in case of errors. Please note that an incomplete or created but not submitted application cannot be processed by NWU. Please give the admission office time to effectively process your application before you check your application status.